a noise. Whose truck is that? No, I had to drive this thing. So scary. It's got definitely some brake problems. Is it locked all up? Is it shut all the way? This thing needs a new steering box too. It's like has so much play. It's scary. And my car finally got a wash. Okay, so what are we doing? Oh, well, we're gonna check the water pump here. Just try a few things, or just one thing. I'm gonna take the belt off and spin the pump, and listen for any sounds. If it can make a little bit of a noise. I don't know if it will, because it's an intermittent thing, and it usually occurs when it's at idle speed, which is about 700 RPM to 1,000. So you know the drill. You take the air intake off, undo your hoses, your connectors, and just get a flathead on that and pop her out. I guess you can start with this guy. Yeah, there we go. Undo your ass airflow sensor. And I just set that over there. And while you got it up, check your air filter. Mine's doing just well. Okay, once you got that pretty much down, just slip it off a pulley or whatnot. And I'll just leave my wrench. Well, I can't leave my wrench down there. I have to take it out. Okay. Just slip it off. How's this pulley doing? Sounds good. Off our power steering pump. Off here. Sometimes you can just get away with pulling it through from underneath. So I just run it all the way down. Really, I just want to get the belt out off. Shit. Okay, our belt's out. She's looking good. We'll inspect it with better lighting. Scratch my paint. Thank you. Check your alternator bearings. Sounds okay. Oh, that thing's doing okay. That one's fine. Oh, yeah, the water pump's going. I don't know if you can hear that. Yep. I know it's the water pump. I'm good. Yep. Luckily it's only $50. Oh yeah. Still easy to turn. Okay, well that pretty much concludes my prediction. The water pump is going bad. I guess this is the first step to falling apart. I don't see any like leaks. Oh, the weep hole's got a little bit of moisture on it. Yeah, see, I can probably just get a wrench and take off those bolts just to unbolt the pulley, and then we got enough room to push it forward. And with that being said, I could probably finagle this fan shroud out. and we can get some room to take the pump out. If I can just get my key out of my pocket, we'll be rocking. It doesn't want to sing for us right now. You just wait till it warms up. Yeah, she doesn't want to sing. Alright. That video will be coming soon. Water pump replacement.